Today I have OPPO A15s and I want to show you how manage your Google passwords on this device. We start off opening settings application. Not settings application, Google Chrome application, and there we choose three dots on the right corner and scroll to the settings option. In it we choose Google Password Manager, and there we have password which our device remember. To manage it, we must click on it. Now we must enter look screen to confirm our choice, and there we can copy our username, copy our password using this first icon, or after we press on this icon, our smartphone shows us password which remember. You can also edit all or share this password to someone using this icon, and we can send it to our friends or edit by tap on edit and write something new in our username, passwords or note. After we change something, remember, press save. You can also delete all by delete and confirm by delete again. That's all, thanks for watching, bye!